Hello students, today we are going to start problem set 19 of standard 5th maths. Write the proper symbol from smaller, greater or equal to in the box. That means you have to write the symbols which you have done already in the lower classes. But the difference is what? Here they have given you the fraction. So 3 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. Here the denominator is also equal and numerator is also equal. So that means this both are equal with each other. So that's why I have put an equal sign. Here also you can see 3 upon 8, 2 upon 8. Now in this numerator is different but denominator is same. So you can identify with the numerator. Now in this 3 is greater. So that's why I have put on 3 upon 8 is greater like this. Now see the third one, 5 upon 15 and 10 upon 30. Now both denominator is different and numerator is also different. So how you will take out? You will interchange the denominator and make the denominator equal, which we have done already in problem set 18. Same way we will do here also. I have interchanged the denominator, as you can see here, 15 into 30 and this 30 into 15. So this has become 150. 5 into 30, 150. I have multiplied here and show you. And here also 15 into 30, 450, which we have taken out. Here also 10 multiplied by 15, this will give you 150, and 30 into 15, this will give you 450. So these both are equal with each other. So that's why I have put on the equal sign here. Now same way in fourth also we will do. So 5 upon 8 and 5 upon 9. So you can see the denominator is different and numerator is same. So how you will take out? You have taken out with doing the equal denominator. See 5 into 9, this 9 I have given to here, and 8 into 9, and this 8 I have given to 5 into 8 and 9 into 8. So 45 and 72, 40 and 72. That means this one is greater. So that's why greater sign I have written. So in this what you have to remember, denominator should be equal, then only we can take out greater or smaller. But in some cases the denominator is different, so you can interchange the denominator and then you can taken out the which one is greater and which one is smaller or equal sign. The next one, fifth. Again this both are different with each other. So I have interchanged the denominator. So this 40 upon 48 is greater and 6 upon 48 is smaller. Now same thing in sixth also I have done. So this one is greater, 30 upon 72, and this one is smaller. In seventh one, we don't have to change the denominator because already 9 denominator is equal, and this 4 also equal with each other. So that means equal to sign you will write here. Now see the eighth one, 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 7. We will interchange the denominator. 3 into 7, 2 into 7 and 4 into 3, 7 into 3. We will get 14 upon 21 and 12 upon 21. Now in this 14 is greater among these two, so that's why I have given the greater sign. Here also you can see the ninth one with 35 upon 63 is greater. Now the last 10th one, in this 20 upon 55 and 11 upon 55. So that means 20 upon 55 is greater. So here we finish this practice set 19. Thank you students.